Jungle Charm, if I explain this webinar how it was, just I had to say everything in a single roof. I was sitting in, far away from my country, India.
Okay.
Okay, thousand and thousand. Now I'm in Dublin, and
Okay.
into the time zone, I had to wake up early in the morning.
Oh, I'm so
And I
sorry.
was
It's
thinking,
started at 10. You all are 5.5 hours behind us.
yes,
Yeah. Yeah.
So now I'm so happy and so
Okay.
satisfied because hands-on learning always gives more and more learning,
Right.
right?
Right.
And
Right.
that's the best part. And if someone asks me, and as I said, everything in a single group, right? My expectation was fulfilled. The explanation was so simple, even a lay person will understand what is that. Okay, so and if someone asks me what would be your takeaway, my takeaway would be the same, which one? And the best part was I had been a teacher more than 25 years.
Okay.
Many things were known, but what was unknown,
Okay.
because it's my turn, that is a STEM, and which would be implemented from the pre-primary
Yes.
session. Okay, so
Right.
that's the best part. And what I like most is the hands-on. I become a child like a student.
Yeah.
And I want to be a student always.
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Thank you so
Thank you
much.
so
It
much.
was so
Thank you.
amazing, and you know. I don't know, may the words would not be enough to express my gratitudes. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank